Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add and launch ChatGPT in Google Sheets using the GPT for Sheets and Docs add-on. First, on the top menu, click Extensions. From the drop-down, select Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. The Google Workspace Marketplace will pop up. In the search bar at the top, type GPT for Sheets. Let's use the one made by Talarian. Hover over the Install button of the extension you want, then click it. A Get Ready to Install box will appear, then click Continue. A window will appear asking you to choose a Google account. Click the account you're using for Sheets. Next, click Continue to sign in. The add-on will ask you for access to your account, showing the list of things it can do with the access you will give. Click Allow to give the add-on the permissions it needs. A confirmatory message will appear saying that the add-on is now installed. Click Done. You can now close the Marketplace window by clicking the Close icon at the top right part of the window and return to your sheet. Now, go back to Extensions in the top menu. You will now see GPT for Sheets and Docs in the list. To start using it, hover over it and click Open. The GPT sidebar will open on the right side of your screen, and you can now start using available features. So, that is how you add ChatGPT in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.